imagination பண்ணலாம். வரோம். Flying tour மாதிரி இது அது ஓகே அதுக்கப்புறம் அது வந்து போட் ஸ்பேஸ் கிராஃப்ட் மாதிரி இருக்கா? எந்த ஆங்கிளில் பார்த்தாலும் ஸ்பேஸ் கிராஃப்ட் மாதிரி இல்லையே. அதான்டா, இது வந்து ஃபிக்ஷன் மூவிக்காக வேண்டி பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளோதான், ஃபிக்ஷன். எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் ஃபிக்ஷன். ஒன்று வாய்ஸ் ஓவர் கொடுக்க சொன்னால் அவ்வளோதான், யூடியூப் நான் பேன் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. நானே சொல்லிடுறேன், இந்த ஸ்பேஸ்ஷிப் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஸ்பேஸுக்கு போவாங்க, அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, அந்த ஸ்பேஸில் போய் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கங்கிறது ரைடு முடிச்சுட்டு நாங்கள் சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, see you later.
is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
In your future,
Thanks to you, the color of the future is green. Your pedal-powered bike requires no fuel, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy.
don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take
Your
care of
garden is
anything
filled with
you want.
fruits and vegetables, grown with recycled water or distilled seawater.
That's a powerful, totally
Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, and logs, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption.
Getting there is half the fun. So your family car will be equipped with
Without sacrificing your comfort, your living room can be an actual living room, with real grass providing a natural carpet. And the beach is never far away, thanks to digital displays that can create the environment you prefer. You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the country, because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and live together. The ancient Greeks were great inventors. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an intriguing new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Terrorízame por mi mathematikini molilosis, dinate y poloinis.
With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created powerful empires. To meet their In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do.
1936 Olympic hero Jesse Owens is winner of all gold medals and
By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else.
Take one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house?
The bombing of a drum, steady spinning round the sun. The beating of our hearts, we go straight into